Hello friends, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can download and install Notepad++ on Windows 10 operating system. So if you want to write programs like HTML programs, CSS, JavaScript, or want to practice Java programs, you would be needing an editor. So the best of them, the most popular of them is Notepad++, which is lightweight and you can easily use it. It is free to install, open source. You can easily set options in it. You can easily highlight code in it. You can easily minimize the code, or you can also set code formats for different languages and web development frameworks or pillars like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's see how to download and install it. First, go to Google. Here I'll type Notepad++ download. Now you can see it is showing an option to download link. Click on it. Let us work around what is Notepad++ through Wikipedia quickly. It is a text editor through which you can easily work around programming languages and open multiple files at a time. It is also an editor and can also be used for languages like Java, so that it is convenient to work on any editor. You can also use Notepad, but it is not a good option. Notepad++ should be the first choice. It is a free software available. So you can see the release here. The size is very lightweight, 3.79 MB. You can work it around in Windows as well as other operating systems. So here is the download section. The releases are visible. The current version is 7.8.5, so I'll click on it. On clicking, it is asking to download it for 64-bit or 32-bit. Here we are having the 64-bit OS, so I'll click on the installer for 64-bit, or you can also install the packages. I'll click on installer here. First, we'll check that whether a system is 64-bit or 32-bit. Go to Start, type System. Now enter system information. Here under system type x64 is visible, which means it is 64-bit OS. Now I'll minimize it. On minimizing, I'll download the 64-bit Notepad++. Now it is downloading. On the left you can see only 3.8 MB. It is downloaded. Now I'll click to show in folder to reach the downloads folder where it is downloaded. Now you can see it has been downloaded. I'll double click on it. X64 means for 64-bit OS. Double click. Now it is asked for language. I'll select English here. You can select other languages as well, any of your choice. On selecting English, click on OK. Now I'll go for next. For the setup, Notepad, read the license agreement. After reading, click on agree. If you accept the terms of the agreement, I'll click on agree. Now the files, the section is visible wherein we will install Notepad++. It will only take 10 MB because it is around say 3.8 MB software. So you can set your own location using browse. I'll keep it as default under program files. Now click on next. On clicking next, it will ask for the components. If you are a newbie, don't touch it, keep it as it is, and let the plugins get installed and themes get installed. Now click on next. Yes, I want to create a shortcut on desktop. It will by default create option under right click so that you can easily open text file or coding files under Notepad++. So I'll click on install. It is installing. The installation has been completed, so I'll run it. By default, I'll click finish. Now you can see the Notepad++ is visible. Let's say we are having a desktop file. Let's say we're having a file here. I'll go to Ruby section 1. Now let's say we have a JSON file here or Ruby file RB. On the right click, the net edit with Notepad++ option will be by default available now because we have opened it. So I'll click. So the option is visible. For JSON, RB, all these will be visible. Text files, all you can easily open under Notepad++. On the top, you can see the path is visible. So in this video, we saw how we can easily download and install Notepad++. We also saw the usage of Notepad++. It is very popular and you should definitely use it for easier purposes. It is only 3.8 MB and just go for it and try it. It is freely available and it will definitely ease your work. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. For more such videos and videos on programming, kindly subscribe to Amit Thinks YouTube channel.